ask a real quick question? Die Menschen, was verstehen nicht kein Yiddish, sollen aufhalten my hand. To those of you that don't understand Yiddish, too bad. Too bad. I mean, first of all, somebody schlepped you here, you kvetched the whole way, but you're going to see that you understand more than you know and what a mitzvah it was to bring you to this simcha. So, to Yidstock. We were thousands of people strong, and everywhere there was song and celebration. Yehudim as ich seh the bombas, fliehen Toten in the blue and blinken a Leben auf a Gitter, Schuh and blinken Scholem. Oh, we are stardust, we are gold.
Eleanor Reissa.
Thank you. Messiah.